Professional Communication, podcast by the collaborative inputs of Kelly Palmer, Milin Jain, and Bharat Babu. Professional communication is the ability to communicate effectively, either orally, verbally, or digitally in the workplace and beyond. Many factors can influence the success or failure of a business, and one of the most important factors is communication at workplace. A communication failure is a message which is unintentionally misleading, ineffective, or offensive. A notable example is KFC, aka Kentucky Fried Chicken, an American fast food restaurant chain, got off on the wrong foot when it opened its door in China. In the late 80s, when it opened its doors in Beijing, the restaurant had accidentally translated its infamous slogan, "Finger licking good to eat your fingers off." In the end, however, the blunder didn't end up hurting KFC too badly. Why professional communication is important? It avoids the confusion between the employers and the employees. The most brilliant people and the brilliant ideas often fail because they can't make themselves understood or relatable. When there is open communication, it helps to make the team innovative. Challenges faced in the professional communication at workplace. Cultural differences. Irrelevant or inaccurate information in the documents often make errors at the workplace. Unfamiliar accents between the non-native English speakers is also a challenge in the workplace. There are many forms of communication like verbally, orally, or digitally. However, the professional communication documents are like short reports, progress reports, and emails, which is the most used mode of communication at workplace. Based on the responses from the 3 business analysts and 6 information system professionals, the interview responses are recorded from the individuals, namely Sitaram from Amgen Technologies located in Florida, and the other 2 referred by him for the interviews, namely Satvik and Anta from Accenture New York, who works as business analysts from the past 2 years. The following are the key observations we found out. In times of communicating bad news to the client or boss, the faster means of communication like call or meeting is preferred for immediate action. It is important to be a good listener than a good communicator. And public speaking is the task most of the non-native speakers struggle at. And from the interviews of information systems professionals, trust, teamwork, communication, and respect are the keys to effective, healthy relationships. Being able to adapt to the changing priorities in the business is a soft skill that many employers value as highly as technical skill needed for the job. Honesty in the workplace encourages a sense of trust among the employees, company, and the community. The leadership style and the environment in the workplace often affect the level of honesty employees exhibit on the job. From the interviews of IS professionals by the third person, we found out that IS professionals communicate at least 1 hour in their daily life. Non-verbal communication is also important is also important in the information system profession. When there is an unclear information, always ask for the detailed information in the document. From the advisors we found the following are the recommendations from the IS professionals. From the business analyst profile, we found out that technical communication is important as professional communication because we often talk with the people of less technical understanding, and social skills are equally important as oral skills. Think before you act. Always ask for the clear information before you work. Feedback. Constructive criticism and feedback are the important things which you need to take from the peers and from the boss and clients. The following are the references we took as a part of secondary research and which gave the input for the primary research too. And this is the team: Milin Jain, G. Bharat Babu and Kelly Palmer. Thank you for listening to the podcast.